Hola mi familia and welcome back to mi canal. So today I'm going to be showing you this eye look. So I'm not going to go ahead and do my whole face on this video, but because I've done some of those already, but I just really want to show y'all this eye look right here. So I really just want to kind of get straight to the point. I did not talk a lot on this video. I did some, but honestly it was more just so that way y'all be able to see how the eye look looks. Of course I did the left eye already before I did the video, so that way y'all can see the way we're trying to achieve the look. But yeah, so if y'all want to see how I did this eye look right here, well, go ahead and keep on watching, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, for those that don't know me, or for those that don't know me, my name is Veronica and I love makeup. And if you all love makeup, well, this is your home right here. So thank y'all so much, guys, for those that are just tuning in and the ones that already have been tuning in. Thank y'all so much for watching. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so I already went ahead and did my left eye. And this is how we're going to want it to look. I haven't put my eyelash on, but I will in just a little bit. I'm letting the eyelash glue dry. But I'm going to go ahead and start with this eye. I already went ahead and did, of course, my eyebrows. I already went ahead and primed my eyelid. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I am today going to be using the Morphe. This one is the 3502. So, on this one, I am going to go in with my Wet n Wild Never Fails Me fluffy brush. Ooh, kind of dirty. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here, and that one is Orb. So I'm going to use Orb as a transition color, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid from inner of the corner of the eye to the outer. Okay, so next I am going to go in with a gloss. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, which this one is this orangey color. Do you see how kind of more lighter color it is? Which, I mean, it is a transition color, but I want it to pop. So I'm going to get that one right there, and I'm going to apply that same way I did that, just from the outer to the inner corner of the eye, just like that. Okay, guys, so next, after that, I'm going to go in with my Lexi brush. This is a small tapered blending one. I don't know the number. That's all it tells me, but it's kind of wearing out. So next, I'm going to go with this red one right here. And this one, they're both red. This one's just more shimmery, and this one's more matte. So I'm going to go with the matte one. And, woo! Going to go ahead and apply it on the outer corner of my eye. And just a little bit right there. And in the inner corner, because I really want these more to pop on the outer and the inner. So I do want a little bit of that, but we already have that kind of orangey color right there. So I'm more worried about this part and this part. And just blend it a little bit. I don't know if y'all can tell, like right in. Okay, so after I'm done with the eye, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shade Concealer. And I'm going to go in with this little thin little brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit to the brush. And just going to apply a little bit on the middle of the eyelid. And I'm going to work myself up. So when I get up here, I'm going to try to explain without talking. Well, I'll explain as I'm talking. But I'm going to apply right here in the middle. And then when I get to this part right here, I'm just going to go a little bit more outer. And then in, just like that, and then I'm just gonna blend it down just a little bit. So it's kind of like a, I don't know, looks kind of like a broccoli. I don't know, but anyways, so yeah. Ooh, I think I went a little bit more, because I want it more like a high top like that, if that makes sense. Okay, and when I open my eye, I do want a little bit of this more out. So since I feel like I went a little bit more in right there, what I'm going to do with the same brush that I did that, Lord Almighty, that Red Fire, I am going to apply just a little bit right there because I don't want it to be too much of that. So I'm going to apply a little bit right there and then over here, just to kind of blend those colors. Okay, so then I'm going to get one of these little brushes. And it's just a flat little thin one, and these are from the You Spicy, of course, Amazon. And I just sprayed it with my Mario Badescu setting spray. I'm going to go in with this color that is called Pure, and it's this one right here. It's just a goldy bronzy color, and I'm going to apply it where we did that concealer part, and just apply it all the way up. All right there, and right there. So doing the same thing, do you see how right there is kind of more open and right here it looks more closed? I don't want it exactly like that, but that's the way it's coming out. So anyways, so then just apply a little bit right there, like that. See? That's really all you do. It's really simple. And it has that shimmer, which is so pretty. So I'm going to go back in with that brush that we did fire again and just kind of blend it right there. And then I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's called Moody, because I don't want it too brown, I don't want it too black, and those are too light. So I'm going to go in with this one right here, the same tapered brush. Just going to dab a little bit and just apply it same way we did the fire, more likely, more in the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye. Because we want it to be a little darker, but we don't want it to be too dark, because we're trying to show a little bit more of that reddy, you know, orangey color. So just apply it right there. So then right after that, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter, and it looks just like this. And I'll apply a little bit. I don't want it to all like cover my eye, so we just kind of do strokes just like this. And then, since I don't want a lot of that glitter, I'm going to go back in with my thin brush that we did Pure, and just apply a little bit over that, because I don't want it to be too glittery. I just want a little bit of that to pop out. See, so we just go a little bit over. Next, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London liquid liner, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing liner. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face and my foundation and all, and then I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my face, and I'm going to go ahead and add these lashes right here, the Eylure Dramatics. These are the 205s, and I'm using the Star Glue Lash Glue, and then my little tweezers that just look like, I don't know if y'all can see, that look like this. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and apply it, just like this. I don't know if you'll hear my stomach. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied lipstick because I was missing that, and these are the Kat Von D Lolita. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe palette. I'm going to go in with this one again, the one that we kind of did the in and outer corner of the eye. And I'm going to go ahead and apply maybe just a little bit of the fire to add a little bit more pop. And then after we do that one, I think I'm going to go back in with the Moody, however it's called, it's M-U-D-D-Y. And just apply, just to darken it a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah. What about that, guys? So that is it. Hopefully you all liked this look. It was really just straight to the point. I know I didn't talk as much as I do on the other ones, but I just kind of wanted to show you just different ways that I'm able to do these kind of looks, straight to the point, just talk and blah 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 blah. But I just really want to show you this eye look because I really like it and I think it's so pretty. So yeah, guys, what do y'all think? Hopefully you all liked it. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe, get that little, you know, bing, little, what is it called, like little bell, so that we all be notified of the next videos I'll be able to upload. So yeah, guys, so yeah, thank you all so much for watching. You all be good. You all take care. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.